And then I think we're going to put one more. Put like 3 nice layers of pasta. And if there's ends like this, we can just go like this with the scissors. So they're not one big hunk of dough, right?
Yeah.
I don't want dough. And we can do that. So it looks nice, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next thing you want to do is take a layer of ricotta.
Yeah.
Okay. Same thing. So it's got what it has in here is Parmesan cheese, herbs, fresh basil, everything. Want to taste it? Want to taste? It's good. It's cheese. Alright.
That's good. Yeah.
Right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to dump this in here like this. We're going to spread that around as much as we possibly can on top of there.
Yeah.
Okay. So we want to do at least 2 layers of ricotta. If not, we might only do 1. I don't know. No, I think we're going to do 2. So we've got to get it. It's a nice thin layer of ricotta cheese. So we're going to spread it out all over the place. So when every time you cut a piece, you actually get a piece of ricotta cheese. See, so it sort of spreads out like that.
Yeah.
Right? Now, it says you can do this. We can do it. It's not a problem. Or get ricotta in there. If you reach over, there's a bag of Italiano mozzarella. I think it's already open, right? We're not going to do a whole bunch. We'll do a bit. Okay, so we're going to do this now. I'm just going to take a little bit of this, sprinkle that like that, just to make it a little bit more cheesier so it sets better.
Yeah.
Right? My mouth's already watering, just so good already. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do our next layer of noodles over top of the ricotta. And then I still got 2 things over there yet to roll. Shake off the excess flour. Put that halfway over the other one like that. And take this one and just slide it in there just like this. Then, what do you think we're going to do next?
Add another layer of sauce.
Oh yeah, you got it. So you just add another layer just like you did the last time. Just take a spoonful of that. Dump it on there. Okay, and spread it out. Exactly. Make it about that thick, because what you don't, your layers don't have to be, because you're going to keep layering, right? They don't have to be super thick, right? So you can just spread out a layer like that. I'm going to go roll out some more dough.